Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shades of Madi. Today we'll be designing something different from the party and the food flyer. Let's try to design a sport flyer, which is a Nike footwear design. So I'll be dropping the PSD file in the link below and also the tutorial files. So let's start. So come to our files here, drag in this to your Photoshop, click enter. Click enter. So create a new layer, come to your here, brightness and contrast, set it to -35, click enter. Come and add new layer again. So let's try to blur the edges a little bit using the gradient tool. So come here, let's set this to black. You toggle this, set it to black, click on this. So since the foreground color is black, you drag like this, gently drag like this, the up is already black. Yes, now click OK. So what you're gonna do next is let's drag in our ribbon and background image. Let's drag this in. Come here, drag in your ribbon like this, place it in the folder, reduce the size of the ribbon to your preference, enter Ctrl J on your keyboard to duplicate, Ctrl T on your keyboard, click flip horizontal, click OK. Come to your files, drag in this shape, place it like this, then click OK. Create new layer, come to your color lookup, click on color lookup, change the blend mode to change the blend mode to crisp warm, enter. New layer again, let's add solid color, solid color, press on your keyboard 8D-C5D9, click OK. Change the blend mode to color on your keyboard. So let's add our text. T on your keyboard, so let's add our text. On your keyboard, press T for text. So our font will be X-rated. Press Nike Nikeemax, Nike Max white, FFF white, click OK, enter. You can drag this like this, then on your keyboard press Ctrl T. You see skew here, so you can toggle like this, toggle anywhere you want, but for me I'm toggling like this, click OK. So you can drag, you can expand, yes, this is okay. Now come to double click on your text layer at the extreme end, double click to show the blending options. So click on the inner shadow, blend mode, screen, opacity 35, noise 0, technique softer, edge, choke 0, size 7, and choke 0, size 7, range 50, jitter 0. Now also come to your outer glow. Click on your outer glow, you see screen, opacity 35, noise 0, technique softer, size 21, range 50, jitter 0. Now to your drop shadow, multiply, opacity 100, distance 3, spread 0, size 76, noise 0. Click OK. You can place it like this. So what we'll do next is, let's drag in our footwear. Drag in the footwear. Drag in the footwear. Can reduce. Okay. Yes, something like this. Footwear. Click OK. Now create new layer. On your keyboard, press B. So this will be doing something different. Double click on your foreground color, pick this lighter color, click OK. Come to the edge of your layer, tap once like this, click OK. New layer again, B. Now you change this to white. Change this to white, click once. Now double click on both layers, Ctrl T on your keyboard to transform. You can increase it like this. Yeah, drag it in, click OK. Ctrl G on your keyboard, then Ctrl J on your keyboard again. Now Ctrl T again. Right click, flip vertical. Okay, yes, horizontal. So you can drag. Let it have more life, click OK. Now press your new layer again, B. Your foreground color should be white, click once on this. Now reduce the fill or opacity, reduce it like this, so you can actually drag. Sorry, Ctrl Z. You can drag this layer, you can drag this, sorry, you can drag it like this, something like. So you can actually toggle the colors. You can change different colors, you can play around with it to get your required color. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you.